This 2023 Keystone Passport Grand Touring West 2400 RBWE GT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 29 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, TV, air conditioning, stove top burner, refrigerator, oven, Colorado Detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Passport Grand Touring West 2400 RBWE GT is 5,827 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.